Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Lyft. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device. And if you haven't signed up or logged in, you will see the Get Started button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you will be asked to enter your phone number. In order to sign up and create a new account, just type in your preferred phone number within the phone number box. After choosing your country code and entering your phone number, tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your phone SMS and you will find this verification code that you can enter within the next screen. After entering this code and proceeding forward, you will be allowed to create your profile and enter your address as well. After setting up your profile, you will then be prompted to add your payment method. Just choose from any one of the available payment methods, and once you have added your payment method and verified your identity, you will be able to start using the Lyft application from your newly created account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Lyft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.